What's happening, everyone? We got another hard reset for you today. Today we're going to do the Motorola Edge 30 Fusion in this awesome red color. I'm a big fan of this color. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password and you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset, I will show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on here, it's definitely going to get deleted. Also, guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, we have a ton more of these hard resets coming up. So if you want to see anything special, just drop a comment. But let's not waste any more time and let's jump right into this. First thing we want to do is make sure that it's off, and in this case it is. Then we're going to, you have your volume up, volume down, and power button right here, and we want to hold the volume down and power at the same time. This will load us to our recovery options, and we want to go down to recovery mode. And from here, hit the power button. It does take sometimes a second to load, but you get to the no command screen, and then from here what we want to do is we want to hold power and tap volume up and then let go of both buttons relatively quickly. Hold power, tap volume up, and let go. You just the main reason you want to let go is because sometimes if you keep too long on the power button, and it gets into the system, it thinks you're trying to reboot the phone, so you basically have to restart the whole process over again because it will automatically select that by mistake. So from here, we want to use the volume buttons to scroll, the power buttons to confirm, and we want to scroll down to wipe data factory reset, hit the power button, confirm again, and now it's deleting. And sometimes these go relatively quick, sometimes a little slow. Looks like it's all done. And then from here, we can either restart it into load into bootloader, or we can power it off, and in this case we're just gonna power it off. If you do reboot it, it will load to the welcome screen and you can set it up how it was when it was new, but this is how we do a hard reset on a Motorola Edge 30 Fusion. Hopefully you guys found this helpful. If you did, like, comment, share, all that wonderful stuff, and thank you for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.